Igama lami nguHlengiwe Ngqo ngokuhlala ngiseTsakani. Ngibhalele kwatatakho ukuthi bangincede. Umntana kasisi wami uMthokozisi Hadebe baye bamdubula ngoDisemba khona la endlini. Bayaphila kodwa bambulele. Bangena la endlini kuvele kubuye konke. Ngisakhala namanje ngoba usisi wami binabantwana abawu7 usele nengane eyi1. UMthokozisi bekuyi-first born yakhe. Bese sithembile nathi ukuthi umuzi kamama usazoqhubeka. Manje thina besazi abantwana abawu8 kuvela abantwana abathathu. Anginasho ukuthi abakamthokozi noma kusibana abakamthokozi. Manje sikuleyo ngxaki yokuthi njengamanje asazi imali zakhe ukuthi kumele ziye kubani zingadliwa ubani.
Igama lami nguSifundo Ngwakasangweni. I'm 32 years. I live in Eram Park, Extension 5. I met Mthokozisi 2009. And then saw data for maybe 5 years. And then I fell pregnant in 2013. And then I gave birth in 2014. Since 2009 to 2021, that's when I decided to go to Nyamyega because he was a womanizer.
Ukukhula kwethu sikhulele emvuzini eMondlo. Khula nje sobabili thina ke mina naye ngoba yithi besibancane. Umatric umenzele emangeni, izifundo zobundesi uyiqalela eGoli. Omunye umsebenzi ade wenza waye ebebheka amatekisi kababa wakhe. UMthokozisi ebeyisigora nabafazi bebamthanda, hayi indaba yokudlala. Khona bemazi ukuthi bebamthanda enjalo.
He had multiple partners. Ekuqaleni bengilwela ukuthi abe boyfriend. Then now I cannot fight ukuthi abe ubaba umntwana because he had other kids. Abantwana bebayi7, abobhebi bami bayi5. Oyi1 nabantwana bayi2. The rest we have 1. Kwashona again. Kwafika bayi3. Bathola abantwana now in 2025. So nabo baclaim ukuthi ubaba wabantwana uye the late guy. Shoot by 11 all in all.
Akazakhulume lutho ngabantwana kanye nomama babo. Bengasuyena futhi umuntu obethanda ukukhuluma ngeprivate life yakhe.
There's a will somewhere. On that will, kubhala abantu abayi7. And then Mamhlengiwe decided to go, okay, in order to see yonke lento ibe fair, let's us do ama-DNA kubo bonke abantwana who are claiming ukuba abaka the late.
Ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uyalidinga iqiniso ukwazi ukuthi umntana wakho wakwabani. Nathi siyalidinga iqiniso ukwazi ukuthi uMthokozi wondla izingane zakhe.
UMthokozisi naye bengekho sure ukuthi umntana wakhe noma kusuwakhe. So akakwazi ukuthi melala nawe uyathola noma uthola. So yena ngoba uwazi ukuthi ulale nawe bevuma isikhathi esiningi. Beyiba kanjalo ingakho begcine banengane eningi ngoba akakwazi ukukwala indlela ebeyiphethe ngayo.